100 experiments? Guy Raz, that's bonker balls.
There's no time to lose, Mindy. Let's get tinkering.
Journey through the amazing world of science with the Wow in the World 100 Experiments That Wow Kit. This comprehensive collection comes with oodles of tools and accessories to help you conduct 100 hands-on activities that fizz, glow, spin, ooze, and so much more. Discover the difference between acids and bases. Erupt an underwater volcano. Use paper and water to reveal the rainbow of colors hiding in a black marker. The bonus 100-page interactive science journal gives you all the instructions to play out your experiments, plus space to record your observations. It even comes with a stunning poster and stickers to help you track your progress. Scan the QR code in the guide to access exclusive Wow facts from Wow in the World podcast hosts Guy Raz and Mindy Thomas.
Static electricity can be found in lots of places, from the hair on your head to lightning in the skies.
Explore the wonders of biology, chemistry, earth science, and physics with the Wow in the World 100 Experiments That Wow Kit for curious kids ages 6 and up.
From Wow in the World
and Thames and Cosmos.